Did you know you can build a custom forecasting app to predict the future without using any code? Let me give you a real-world example here. But first, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe so you don't miss any videos that will help you make more money and grow your business with AI. The kind of web app I'm going to show you could be used for any sort of business forecasting solution you want. No need to try to shoehorn someone else's tool into your business when you can make your own. The example I'm going to give you today is an NBA forecasting app that picks the winners of NBA games. Because it uses AI, it's picking the winners with 77% accuracy, and it's getting better as I train it further. So here's an example. It does this sort of analysis. It picked the Trailblazers last night to win well before the sports books did. So anybody following this had a really good turnout on their bets, and it does some other predictions as well here. But it's great for predicting the future. It's pretty cool. Now, I built this platform using Replit, which is a no-code tool that anyone can use to make their own web apps. If you want $10 of AI coding credits, you can grab them right here. This is all at the link in my bio. And also I have a tool I've made here. This is free to use. You can get it from the link in my bio as well. And this will help you write the scope of your application so that the application starts off well. It gives you the wording and the verbiage to give something like Replit so your app starts off on the right foot. All right, let's walk through how to structure something like this on your own. So the way you do this, you stack together data APIs, scrapers, AI analysis, and you do it all in a no-code builder like Replit. And that sounds like a lot, but it's actually very easy because you can just discuss with the AI what you want to build, and it'll help you find all of the sources. Here's how the example, this NBA AI, is structured. We have a stats API that pulls in basic game stats and player stats that we use for our calculations. And then next we have a content scraper that the no-code builder actually built for me to search certain web pages and pull out information that we need. Following that, we have another API that's integrated that searches for news about specific details that we find in the stats API in the content scraping. After that, we have an RSS reader that goes through several important sites and pulls out news articles that we need to analyze to understand the sentiment around the game that we're doing the prediction on. Stats API goes through a calculator that I had Replit build for me. So it wrote all the code for this calculator. I didn't have to do any of the math. And it calculates key details and it finds and excludes outliers that we don't want in our data. The other data goes into an AI for parsing and review. Since this is text-based data, it's documents, it's stories, things like that. We have an AI that reads it all and then summarizes it and parses it into a format that we can use. Again, I didn't code this. This is something that I just told Replit that I wanted to do, and it wrote all the code. Then we have an AI that compiles both sets of information, the hard data that we got from the stats API and all of the soft data, so to speak, that we've analyzed with an AI. This AI goes ahead and compiles all of that and looks at the holistic picture to tell us our prediction. And finally, we get that forecast, and we're having this amazing success rate predicting the future. In this case, the future is the winners of NBA games. You can grab some AI credits and use my free app requirements tool from the link in my bio to get you off to a good start. And as always, follow, like, and comment to keep learning cool ways to use AI in your business.